Obedo liet icheng baraja in Nwoya District Headquarters mati ya Naga Town, kama Lalub-kor ma doro tich me Parish Development Model obedo ka lobo kolim magiwaji ni gibalo tich kwede in Nwoya District men yang atira ngoke kome mutime mawero cente makaro milion 170 peo tiyo mati. Jovrine Kyomukama Kaliisa ma team MP machon madaro pi Banda County ngan malobo ko ngat mador lokmi Parish Development Model obedo ilim meno menyang atika ikachoke muri cheng baraja kama jomanonok magiti in Nwoya District Local Government gi onyo choli wigi medwoko cente meno duchu.
Nwoya has serious issues that this whole keken implementing team they need some mindset change workshop, maybe not even for 1 day or 2 days.
Inoni dulmano noni cente maromo milion 170 ali 140 gi Cilling ali 720 peo tiyo mati nyogi tan wiata nyobere ke luor lepku gi chamo wako ma peo tiyo tich me Parish Development Model kilmano gi chwalo pire ni.
The district commercial officer ordered the accountant of the department to withdraw 1.6. But I pleaded, I say, please, this thing is not going to be enough. Let it be 500 and then 1 million.
First get the agricultural officer to respond to it on my behalf because I was already occupied inducting the participant. He continued afterward calling. So when he insisted calling now, I told him, Takakwa, this is public fund. It is not my mother's money, not even my father's money. And for my case, whether you are going to take me to court, I will not give you a coin.
I didn't give him money. Only what I know is because I was for my leave, I did not attend the trainings of the CDOs. These guys can bear me witness. So what I did, I invited this one to come and help during actually the induction, and he had to sign money. In my accountabilities there, I also invited this one, and they signed money. It's here. I made them to sign. It's signed here. No, not him. I didn't give him money. I don't let him produce evidence. I didn't give him any money.
Investigating people and profiling for the last 10, 20 years.
With it, the Ministry of Local.
They have, there is an enemy within, very serious. Very serious. And we have noted this. We needed security to take it out because it's poor service delivery is a threat to national security.
Jo makono gino ginene gendong du balo makaro aye Joffrey Odore Ocheri mati principal commercial officer magimere eno dwak Cilling maromo milion 40 tone bichiela boro. Mark Odong Osineri mati senior district accountant mamero dwak Cilling maromo milion 30 tone bichiela boro. Samuel Ajwang mati senior district planner mamero dwak Cilling milion 30 tone abora bichiel. District Chief Finance manye pao nonge ki Alfred Kilama mati active production officer maginari ya duju mergo dwak Cilling maromo milion 30 tona bichela boro. Kidong Alfred Loom mati senior community development officer mamero dwak Cilling milion 2 tona bungwen kadong me agikene Linus Lakony manying title pon nonge mero dwak Cilling maromo milion 2 kiali 100 bene. Tony Awany Matila chuni ot moko chik pi Nwoya County wachi makman ki kwed maro bini kane ke kume pien cente palwak o mere gi nyut pire kamaleng.
This is to get to the root cause of the problem. But from the submission I've got today, looks like the man solely responsible for all this mess is the former mayor. I mean the former cow. It's the former cow because he has been the chief implementing person officer, the chief accounting officer. I think he messed up all this and then time came for him to go and he has now left this mess in the hands of the new cow and others.
Inoni joman kono go kero chenge iwinye me dwoko cente man magipoko wigini duchu mapia no ni na bichu karo malope ke rokcha Honorable Jovrine omiyo bodge David Magere Naga Town Nwoya District.